Hey, good morning, guys. The answer to warm-up number 28. I'm just going to run through this one really quickly. Remember, these warm-ups are coming directly from the test yourself assessment in section 10. You do not need to do that this week, but you will have to do the assessment next week. And it might actually be your last one. Not 100% sure yet. I might make you do section 4 assessment, but it's still kind of a toss-up up in the air because that last week of school, I think I'm actually going to kind of make that a makeup week because I have some students that just haven't even really gotten on Algebra Nation. They haven't been completing the assessments. So I might be going back, giving them a chance to try to make some of this stuff up. All right. More information will come to you. I'll end up posting on Teams when we get closer to it. Just remember this week you only have to end up watching Section 10 videos, numbers 1 through 4, I believe. You got to look in the post just to double check that. All right, let's knock this problem out. The director of a marketing at a large company wants to determine if the amount of money spent on internet marketing is a good predictor of company profit. She fits a least squares regression line to 12 months of data and computes the following regression line. Okay, so we're just talking about 20 months, and they ended up coming up with this equation for us. Okay, what is the value of the residual for advertising dollars spent equal to 1,020 and profit equal to 17,500? Okay. So right now we are pretty much trying to end up predicting what we would end up getting out of this. All right. Our prediction is stating, all right, that we want to get 17,500. That's our overall goal. All right. That's what we should come up with in 20 months. 17,500. Well, we're spending 1,020. We're spending 1,020 in advertising dollars. So we're going to replace advertising dollars with that, and it's going to be 1,020. When I go ahead and I work through and I solve that problem, which I'm going to get my calculator out, I would end up just typing in 1,000, because remember, order of operations, I have to end up multiplying first. 1,020 times 17.2 plus 372.6. So I'm left with 17,916.60. Okay. That right there is the profit with this equation. Okay. So yeah, this is what we should have ended up getting. But instead, we got 17,500. So when I end up subtracting that, I end up with an answer of $416.60 negative. All right, so we ended up getting a negative number, and it does state that I need to round this to the nearest integer, which is $417. That's going to end up being my final amount, $417. All right, guys, let me know if that ends up making sense. Reach out to me if you have any questions at all. Keep up the great work.